I am MM3 James Kirk. I served in the United States Navy. The Navy accomplishments is missions primary by sea, but also by air and land. It secures and protects the oceans around the world to create peace and stability, making the sea safe for travel and trade. While in the Navy, I took care of steam engines, steam generators, valves. I operated the stern and the forward throttles, ingoing and outgoing. And the ship I was on was USS Okinawa LPH-3, and the LPH stands for Landing Platform Helicopter, which it held 25 helicopters and 2,500 Marines. And this is for my grandson, Hudson Kirk, as in sunflower, 4th grade.
I'm Specialist Kyle Flynn. I served in the United States Army. The purpose of the Army is to deploy, fight, and win our nation's wars by providing ready, prompt, and sustained land dominance by Army forces across the full spectrum of conflict as part of the Joint Force. My job was a 35 Foxtrot, also known as an intelligence analyst. It's a job that can have many different duties depending on where you are stationed or what is needed by the Army. I was stationed in Fort Carson, Colorado, and was attached to the 10th Special Forces Group Airborne. I can't speak much about my job or have any pictures of my time there because when you work in intelligence, many of your jobs involve sensitive, secret, or top secret information that cannot be shared or even spoken about in some cases.
I am Senior Airman Kyle Wilkich of the United States Air Force. The Air Force is the nation's source of air and space power. The Air Force's main mission is to fly, fight, and win. Air power anytime, anywhere. My job is a KC-135 boom operator. To meet the Air Force's mission, I conduct in-air air refuel.
Hello, my name is Lance Corporal Dennis Armstrong, and I'm a United States Marine.
Hi, my name is Lance Corporal Paula Davis. Although some of you might remember me as Miss Paula or Miss Armstrong if you had speech when you were younger. I am a U.S. Marine, and that is a title that is earned and never given. The Marine Corps functions as a unique force combining air, land, and sea assets to defend our country and its interests. Marines also keep the peace when necessary and provide humanitarian aid. The Marine Corps plays a major role as the first boots on the ground in conflicts and are stationed around the world at all times ready to deploy quickly whenever and wherever needed. We are America's elite force in readiness and its fiercest warriors.
The greatest weapon in the Marine Corps arsenal is the Marine himself, his training and his fighting spirit, which enables him to improvise, adapt, and overcome in all situations, and to keep fighting until victory is achieved.
Our jobs in the Marine Corps were as air traffic controllers. We provided the safe, orderly, and expeditious movement of aircraft And as controllers, we worked in the air traffic control tower, in the radar room, or both, always providing direction to pilots and helping the Corps' combat element.
Marine Corps Air Wing plays a vital role in the operations of the Marine Corps. As air traffic control units, we had the ability to move our equipment and sometimes our runways into combat areas to support ground troops. We feel honored and privileged to have served the United States Marine Corps. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, but today is the actual 248th birthday of the United States Marine Corps.
So if you see any Marines today, wish them a happy birthday. We Marines celebrate November 10th all over the world. Semper Fi and happy Veterans Day.